Video output. There's no HDMI output on the Goggles 2 headset, unfortunately, but you can get a slightly degraded quality screenshots on your smartphone with the DJI Flight app and the help of a USB-C OTG to USB-C or Lightning cable. This makes it possible to broadcast the images of a flight live on social networks, for example, with the help of a type tool like Facebook Gaming. The helmet also offers a spectator function. The pilot's helmet can broadcast the images to a second helmet. I could not test this function. I only had one Goggles 2 helmet, and the Goggles 2 in spectator mode was not compatible. I don't know if they will be. There is a mode for receiving images streamed from a smartphone via Wi-Fi to watch a series or a film, for example, but I couldn't get it to work on my test copy. Goggles 2 also allow you to take advantage of the DJI Virtual Flight Simulator for training, but again, it didn't work with my test copy. We also regret that the DJI Virtual Flight app has only been offered on iOS since its release. Android users remain punished. DJI Flight, which we lost the word virtual, is now also available for Android smartphone. See here. Can we make beautiful images? Is the Avata able to produce beautiful video footage? It all depends on your combined talents as a pilot, videographer, colorist, and editor. But if you plan to often produce scenery type sequences for professional purposes, I'd rather recommend that you turn to a device capable of carrying a recent GoPro or a high-end camera. Can the Avata still carry one of these cameras? Yes, but only if it takes advantage of advanced stabilization at the cost of a drastic reduction in autonomy and maneuverability. The compatibility of the Gyroflow software with the videos of the Avata allows new perspective to stabilize the sequences in a different way from the ones of DJI. I therefore qualify my judgment. Avata and Gyroflow form an interesting duet for making beautiful images.